Noelle Vetter with the Graham team, and today I'm going to give you an overview of what the home buying process looks like. The first step before you even start to look at homes is to get a pre-approval completed with a lender. This serves two purposes. This gives you a guideline as to what you can afford. For me personally, I don't want to look at Bentleys when I really have a Honda budget. So in the same token, we don't want to look at $400,000 homes when your budget really is geared towards a $350,000 home. When you do find the right home for yourself, you'll be ready to make an offer on that home because you'll have your pre-approval in place, and that needs to accompany the offer. Once you have the pre-approval, the next step is to start looking for that perfect home. Once you've found that home, an offer is submitted. The Graham team may need to do some negotiating at that time with the sellers. And then once we have a signed agreement with the sellers, we then have an accepted offer. At that time, the escrow company will open up an account which will give you the ability to wire your earnest money deposit. These funds will vary depending on what the seller is requesting. Once the earnest money has been deposited, there are several contingency dates we watch closely, as these are dates that allow you to get your earnest money back should there be an issue with the home. The first contingency date is completing the home inspection. We typically have 10 days to get this completed, so we like to get the inspection ordered right away. The next contingency date is the appraisal. The lender will order the appraisal, and we work closely with the lender to make sure this is completed on time. In the mix of all of this, you will be receiving a copy of the HOA's rules and regulations. This gives you an opportunity to review the rules and regulations of that community. The next step is receiving full loan approval. Again, we work closely with your lender to ensure they have everything they need so that the lending side goes smoothly. The escrow company will send you a settlement statement, which breaks down all of the fees, costs, and any deposits that you have paid. We will go over this thoroughly and then review it with you to make sure it is accurate. We want to make sure you understand where every penny is going. Then we schedule a signing appointment. Typically, this is done at the escrow office, but it can be done at a convenient location for you. This is the time where you will sign any documents the lender needs, along with documents needed by the escrow company. At that point, we will do a final walkthrough of the home about 3 to 5 days prior to your closing date. This gives you the chance to make sure the home is in the same condition it was in when you first looked at the home. Typically at this point the sellers moved out and you're able to verify that the home was not damaged when they moved out. The final and most exciting step is waiting for the home to record in your name with the Clark County Assessor's Office. Once this occurs, the home is officially yours and we're able to handle the keys over to you. I hope this summary helps give you an overview of the home buying process. Thank you for watching.